someone who is in the midst of their hifz, muraja'ah, should they also be advised to complete reading the Quran every month, or spend that time in their revision and memorizing new? The person who's memorizing the Quran for the first time and they are doing a good job, yani they are memorizing the Quran, they should divide their time between the new lessons, yani the jadid that they're taking, and also the muraja'ah of the previous Quran. So, but if you're not a person who's memorizing the Quran, but you want to get the reward of reading the Quran, as I mentioned, 𝗪𝗪𝗶𝗹𝗀 statements. وَإِنَّ كِتَابَ اللَّهِ أَوْثَقُ شَافِعٍ وَأَغْنَى غَنَاءٍ وَاهِبًا مُتَفَضِّلًا وَخَيْرُ جَلِيسٍ لَا يُمَلُّ حَدِيثُهُ وَتَرْدَادُ يَزْدَادُ فِيهِ تَجَمُّلًا وَحَيْثُ الْفَتَى يَرْتَاعُ فِي ظُلُمَاتِ مِنَ الْقَبْرِ يَلْقَاهُ سَنًا مُتَهَلِّلًا. The Quran is just, for anybody who's reading it, gems and beauty and amazement comes from it. And every time you read it. I know a brother, I said to you, I've told this story once before, I know a brother who finished the Quran every 3 days from reading from the Mus'haf. Pay attention to this. 5 years he was doing that. He had no one who taught him the Quran. Every 3 days he would finish the Quran from the Mus'haf. For 5 years he never missed a day. Now he doesn't look at the Mus'haf for Quran at all. But the issue is what? Al-istimrar wal-mudawama. And he reads from Surah Al-Baqarah إلى وَعَلَمُوا أَنَّ مَا غَنِمْتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ from وَعَلَمُوا أَنَّ مَا غَنِمْتُم Surah Al-Naml فَمَا كَانَ جَوَابَ قَوْمِهِ فَمَا كَانَ جَوَابَ قَوْمِهِ Surah Al-Nas. Best. Every 3 days 10 juz, 10 juz, 10 juz. Best خلاص. And he's finished the Quran.